Cyclone Biparjoy, which was located near Bhuj in the forenoon, has moved northeastwards, and in the afternoon it is now located near Dholavira in Kutch district. The intensity of the cyclone has slightly reduced. Now it is a cyclone storm with wind speed of 70 to 80 km per hour, gusting to 90 km per hour. It is moving northeastward. It will continue to move northeastwards, and we expect that by midnight it will weaken into a deep depression over North Rajasthan and adjoining over North Gujarat and adjoining South Rajasthan. Under its influence, there is continuous rainfall. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is occurring over Saurashtra and Kutch and adjoining areas of South Rajasthan and Gujarat region. It will continue today, and tomorrow also there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall and isolated to extremely heavy rainfall over South Rajasthan and North Gujarat. It is just a cyclone storm now. Wind speed is 70 to 80 km per hour. With this wind speed, structural damages are very limited. Still, it can lead to uprooting of small trees, breaking of tree branches. It can also have some partial damage to tin houses, asbestos houses, and the slums and mud houses. The advisory stands, but we have reduced the expected impact and actions to be taken. Now, gradually it will further weaken, but heavy to extreme heavy rainfall, which we predicted earlier, that has caused inundation in Gujarat state, you can find, and similar inundation also can occur due to the expected rainfall today and tomorrow, even northern Gujarat and the South Rajasthan.